About my height.
It's a really nice location for a restaurant.
Today I will visit the Tyholttårnet in Trondheim.
So,
is it familiar to you? Maybe you have seen like this tower, like a TV tower in some other places, some other countries, like Germany, Berlin, Fernsehturm. Unfortunately, it's some building site around, so it is a little bit noisy. Yeah, but it's about my height, so it's not so big. I will go up and take a view. The top floor is spinning around where the restaurant is, and you have the 360 view. So I just go up and take a view then.
okay. really nice rustic style. Every Egon in Norway, same style, with this rustic timber and interior design stuff and things from the older days. And now they have it here in the tower, like many years. But yeah, it's a really nice location for a restaurant, and I enjoy it to be here. And I'm looking forward for the next time. And thank you for now. Here they say they have enormous view. Then welcome, and this in case of fire entry, then you have to walk like stairs down all the way. And this is the Tyholttårnet tower in Trondheim. The biggest tower here, and really similar to many others, like in Germany, in Berlin, or yeah, other places. That's it from NB Explore for this time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.